Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to watch and view your PS5 video clips on your phone. So I'm just using this on my iPhone right now. This is very easy to do. So what you want to get is the PlayStation app, and then make sure you have auto captures turned on. So let's go to the left, go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and get the PlayStation app right here. Just type that in, it will be the first application, 4.4 stars, and it's got quite a bit of downloads. So let's go to this, open this up, and here's me watching a video clip. Let's go back, and this is the main page. Go to settings in the top right, then going down, make sure auto captures is turned on right here. So if we have that turned on, any video clip under 3 minutes long will download to our PlayStation 5 app on our phone. And this will only be on this app for 14 days, I believe, so you got to download it before that time runs out. So once we're under here, you're going to see games. This option right here, go to captures. Then look at your captures, and you can watch it now. And this one's weird for some reason. Let's go to this one. Then in the bottom right, go to download. And I ended up dying there for some reason. But once I have it downloaded, I can share this to Instagram, Facebook, whatever. And here's one that's 3 minutes long. I can go to the share option right here, and I can share via, a different option. If I go to this, I should be able to download it and then share it directly if I go to this little option right there. So just look at all the different options there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.